Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Unarchiever on your MacBook. So let's start. If you want to open a zip file or if you want to open a RAR file, you have to download the Unarchiever and it will help you in opening any kind of RAR file. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the App Store. So as you can see, I have already opened the App Store, and after opening that, we need to go to the search section, and after going to the search section, here we have to write the Unarchiever. For example, I'm going to write the un. As you can see, here is a suggestion, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, here you will be able to see some other suggestions as well. Like if you want to open this one, you can install these one as well. So I'm gonna install this one, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to check out the details of the app, you can also do that. Like the size of the app is 40 MB, and the language and the developer and the age old and the ratings as well. So simply what we need to do, we have to click on the get, and after clicking on the get, we need to click on the install, and after clicking on the install, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading, and after the completion of installation process, you will be able to use this on your PC and unachieve any kind of file, and you can use that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the Unarchiever on your MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.